confirmed him, yes, it's gonna be happen. And I asked him if he has the pool park figure of the new project budget. So to have the pool park figure for the budget of a project, what does it mean to have pool park figure? We are talking about making a budget, a finance of a project, okay? And I asked him if he has the pool park figure of this budget of the project. So pool park figure, what does it refer to? If you can guess it.
يوسف and منى أكيد.
رقم تقريبي للميزانية اللي هو حاططها.
Great.
Great. So the pool park figure here, it means actually, let's say approximate value, okay? Approximate value of the money that we need for the project. يعني الميزانية كده بطريقة تقريبية أو رقم تقريبي للميزانية هنحتاجها إن شاء الله.